So now we are going to see one example how easy to learn the VBA. Okay. So for example, take one example. My task is I just want to copy the data from A1 to B5 and paste it into sheet 14 and at A1. Okay, this is my task. Okay, you all understand, right? What is my task? Okay, for example, I'll be in somewhere sheet. Can anyone tell me or guide me? I just asked you copy the data from sheet 13 to sheet 14. Can you tell me how can you do that? Anyone? What are the steps I need to perform here?
Uh, you can write one name on the one cell, and you can click on Control H. Sorry, Control K.
For what sake?
We need to change the sheet.
Hmm. No, I'm just don't use any shortcuts or nothing. Just tell me if I am asking copy the sheet, I mean copy the data from sheet 13 to sheet 14. What will you do? Generally, what will you do?
Copy and paste.
Okay. You just copy paste, that's it. See, I'm just asking in detailed information. I mean every step you should tell me each and every step. What is my first step? Where should I go?
Select all.
Where should I go? What is my source? Where is my source? Where is my
Sheet
data
13.
existed?
First we have to go sheet 13. Then we have to select the data and copy it. Then we have to go to sheet 14 and here we have to paste it in A1.
Correct. So I'll be somewhere, right? I'm in some other sheets. If I ask you, I want to copy the data from sheet 13 to sheet 14. I'm asking you manually. What happens? What will you do? You go to sheet 13. That is your first step, right? So go to sheet 13. What is my second step? Select data. Yes or no?
Yeah.
What is my third step?
Copy the
The
data.
data. What is my fourth step?
Open sheet number 14
So select your sheet 14.
and paste it.
You directly paste the value. What I told you? Paste at A1. So
Even. Oh,
select the destination.
okay.
What is my next step? Paste it.
Now we can paste the data.
Okay. These are the steps. Agree? Any
Yeah.
questions?
No.
Okay. Now I am going to write a VBA code for all these steps. Okay. I'm going to write a VBA code for all the steps. Okay. So in VBA, okay, how we are going to write a code? So the advantages of VBA, it is general layman language. I mean, whatever the language we are using in while talking, our methods also having the same kind of naming conventions. Okay. So in VBA, how can I write it? Okay, let me show you. What is my first step? Select the sheet 13. How I'm going to write? Sheet 13 dot select. using the select method. This is code I'm going to write in VBA. Okay. What is my select data? What is my data? From A1 to B5, correct? So I have already told you while we learning the Excel, it is a single cell, right? When you select a group of cells, what do you call this?
Range.
Range. Perfect. So I'm going to select a range A1 to B5. This is also select. You are selecting, right? Any questions? Agree? Next. What is my next step? I need to copy the data. Just same range, right? Let's remove this and copy the data. Clear? What is my next step? Select sheet 14. Okay. What is my destination? A1, right? Select A1. So same A1, you just need to paste your data. This is how you are going to write the macro. Do you feel any complexity or do you feel any difficulties? Tell me.
No.
No, right? So I want to give you some confirmation on your code, whatever you have written. Okay, let's see whether those are correct or not. Okay, let's go to developer tab. Maybe you guys, unable to find out this developer tab in your Excel. For that, what you need to do, go to the file option and go to the options, customize ribbon, developer tab. You just enable this developer tab. Okay, for you maybe this is unchecked, you just check it out and click OK. Now you can see it. Okay, there I have a beautiful option called recording macro. Let me see what is a recording macro. So whatever the actions you are going to perform in Excel, everything will be recorded, and everything will be recorded at back end. The code will be generated automatically. Okay, what I am trying to say, for example, you selected D3 cell, you selected G2 and you applied background color, you make it at a bold. Okay, whatever the actions you are going to perform when you're recording these actions, everything will be recorded and generated a VBA code for each and every action. Okay, let's see. Record a macro. Let's select that. What is your macro name is macro 6. Just remember this macro 6. Okay, click OK. Okay, now it is in recording mode. What is my first step? I just selected sheet 13 and I'm just copying the data A1 to B5. What is my next step? I'm going to copy the data. What is my next step? Go to the sheet 14. Select A4. Paste. This is the steps we are performed here, right? Let's see. Stop recording. Go to the Visual Basic Editor where we can see all the. This is our macro name, macro 6. Can you see? Let's copy this data. Let's copy this and paste it here. Can you see? Sheet 13 select, sheet 13 select. Range A1 to B5 select, range A1 B25. Range, then whatever you selected, you just copied it. Okay. Sheet 14, sheet 14. A1 select, A1 select. paste it, paste it. Okay, do you find any changes here? See, the writing of, just observe the content. Okay, double quotes and everything, just leave for now. Okay, we will discuss those later, because I just want you to understand how easy the VBA. Okay, you can see, right? All these methods are, our layman language. It's a normal, whatever that language we are while talking. Okay, same, right? Copy means dot copy, select means dot select. Can you tell me now how to clear the data for range A1 to B5? Can anyone tell me what would be the method? How to clear the data? What would be the method? Any wild guess?
Delete.
Delete. Correct. Also, we have one more called clear. Okay, this also you can use it. Sir, how we identify these methods and things? When you come to home tab, insert tab, you can see here how many, different things you can see here. All you can see here as a methods. If you want to clear the formats, what is your answer? Clear the formats. Okay, okay, I'm going to ask one more question. I want to select D4. Okay, can anyone tell me how to select a D4 with the VBA code? Can anyone? How to select a D4 by using VBA code?
Cell D4 dot select.
Guys, see, the code is here. Even if you are not identifying, that's really, not good.
Sheet 14 dot D4 dot select range.
See, this is how you can write, or cell T4. This is also good. Okay, but cell notation, we are not going to write, no, we are not going to write like this. We will write 4 comma 4. We will write in the form of row number and column number, not a alphabetical. Okay, see, we are not discussing any rocket science or nothing. I want you to understand how easy this VBA. Okay, you understand. I'm just observing. You guys are just listening and you're leaving it. Please don't do that. Okay, just understand and just start thinking. Okay, how can we write it? Can we write in a different way? ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను ఇక్కడ A1 సెలెక్ట్ ఎలా చేయాలో, D4 సెలెక్ట్ ఎలా చేస్తామంటే యు గైస్ ఆర్ డమ్. ఓకే, always when you learn any technology, be aggressive. Okay, this is the chance we need to learn, and if we miss this, మనకి ఇంక ఛాన్స్ లేదు అన్నట్టు యూ షుడ్ బి అగ్రెసివ్. ఓకే, ఓకే, వన్ మోర్ ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తున్నాను ఇప్పుడు నేను. సో ఐ వాంట్ టు, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సంథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ D4. I want to apply a background color yellow. Can anyone guide me how to do that? In the code, come on, right or wrong, doesn't matter. Attempt is main.
Range D4 dot background color yellow.
Range D4 dot background color equal to
Yellow.
VB yellow. Instead of yellow, we can say VB yellow.
VB yellow.
Yellow ante it will not understand.
Okay.
VB yellow ante it is a code based. Okay.
Okay.
I want to change the font size. Can any other person? I want to change. Want to increase the font size to 20 or 16. Can anyone? Not Ravi. Please try other any other person. How do I change the font size of D4? Not
Range D4 dot font size.
dot font again dot then size equal to 16. I will tell you why we are making a dot in between font and size. Okay, I will tell you, but see whether right or wrong, I need a attempt from you guys. Okay, any questions so far? At least do you guys get some confidence? Okay, this is how the VBA would be, and do you have get some confidence? Okay, we can learn this. We have that much capability. So if you think in that way, you can learn this technology very easy. Okay. Any questions so far?